Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the watch is powered and your phone's Bluetooth is active. This reduces interruptions. Open the Hiwatch Pro app and sign in because the pairing process writes settings to your account. Once done, keep both devices within 2 to 3 meters and close apps that use Bluetooth to avoid conflicts. These steps speed pairing and prevent duplicate device listings. Now move directly into the app's device discovery screen to begin the actual connection process. Open Add Device and pick your exact Hiwatch Pro model. This ensures correct profiles are used. You must grant location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions because Android/iOS require them for BLE scanning and alerts. When the app shows a pairing code, verify it on the watch screen and confirm on the phone. This prevents accidental pairing. If the app prompts for firmware or companion updates, allow them. Updates often fix compatibility. Once pairing completes, the app will sync basic data automatically. After pairing, sync your health data and customize notification permissions so you receive the alerts you want. This is why you paired in the first place. Test a call, send a message, and check heart rate or step updates to confirm two-way communication. If something goes wrong, reboot the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and retry pairing. This resolves most BLE handshake issues. If persistent failure occurs, use the app's device reset flow or factory reset the watch as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.